Hi guys, this is Griffin, Product Manager at Apify, back with another tip. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape Instagram account details by URL and extract data such as profile name, bio, profile picture, and followers, following, and post counts. To do this, we're going to be using the ready-made Instagram profile extractor from the Apify store. First, go to the link in the description, which will take you to the Instagram profile scraper README. Hit try for free. You'll be prompted to create an Apify account, but don't worry, it's free and no credit card is required. You'll now be taken to the actor's input page. You can choose to either set up the input via our intuitive UI or via JSON. We're going to go with the manual view. The input of this actor is super simple. You just input the Instagram handle that you want to scrape. We're going to go with Khloe Kardashian. If you want to add more profiles, you can do so with the Add button or edit multiple in bulk, and that's it. Before running your actor, we suggest saving your configuration and creating a task. This will come in handy if you want to schedule or integrate your actor with other tools in the future, or if you plan to work with multiple configurations. Now that we have the input filled out, let's run the actor using the Start button. You can watch your results appear in Overview or switch to the Log tab to see more details about the run. Now that our run is finished, we can get our data via the Export button. You can choose your desired format and nitpick which fields you want to include or exclude in your dataset. Then just hit Download and you have your dataset file. For instance, here's our data in JSON opened up in a new tab. If you want to automate your workflow further, you can schedule your Instagram profile finder to run at regular intervals. Choose your task and hit Schedule. You can specify the frequency of how often you want to run the actor. You can even connect our Instagram profile info scraper to other cloud services such as Google Drive, Zapier, or any other Apify actor. By the way, you can also run this scraper locally via API. You can find the code in Node, JavaScript, Python, or curl in the API drop-down menu in the top right corner. To learn more about retrieving data programmatically, check out our video on the subject. That's all for now. Let us know what you think about the Instagram profile information scraper, and remember, if you come across any issues, make sure you report them to our developers in the Apify console. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay notified about future content. So long, and thanks for all the likes.